What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, I got a funny YouTube video for you guys to check out today. We're gonna react to it live. I watched this a long time ago. He does have an Instagram and is not a YouTube channel, but I wanted to show you guys this video. For some reason, I just really love this video and it was super funny to me. We're gonna head over to YouTube and check it out, guys. This is one of the top rated barbers in Canada. And basically the story here is this guy went to the worst rated barber. Now he's going to the top rated barber, and I'll let you guys see. But I just love this guy. I think it's a real fun video. So let's get right into the video and see what he's working with.
What is going on, guys? Today I am back with another banger. You already know how it is. Today what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be going to the best reviewed barber in my city. You already know. By the way, if you don't remember, I did the worst reviewed barber and he kind of messed my hair. I'm just going to show you guys quick thing. Here, guys, I'm just going to show you how he messed up my hair.
Oh my gosh.
How jokes is that?
Oh my gosh, that's horrible. I might have to go check that video out after this.
Today, we're going to the best reviewed private barber. So guys, before we get started, make sure to go down there and smash the thumbs up button. I want at least 5 likes down below.
5 likes,
know how it
guys.
is.
Smash that thumbs up.
5 likes? Okay, maybe so. Hello. Fantastic haircut. I have tried many barbers in Ottawa and none of them put as much attention and creative flair to work with their work as he does. 5 recommended. That's enough reviews. By the way, I'm with my boy Scrubber Rubber Ducky Lucky. Yeah, make sure to check out my boy. No, link in the description. So without further ado, let's go to the barber.
Let's get to it.
Guys, so I am with DOD Cuts. You already know how it is.
Hey.
The hypest, littiest barber in the city.
Yo, this guy is crazy. I don't know why. I watched this. I just loved it. My man's hype. He does have an Instagram, DOD Cuts. If you guys want to go check him out, this is really what I wanted to show you. The other guy's kind of silly. You already know. But you guys watch my man, DOD Cuts. And I just like this video. I think it's super fun. I wanted to share it with you guys.
What up, man? Welcome to the crib, man. DOD Cut right here, man. What's up?
You already know. You want to show me around?
Yeah. Let's go, yo. So like you can see, you know what I mean?
Right here,
Right
clients on clients, okay?
You know what I mean?
Fresh, okay.
This is something you want to show, you know, so just to have the Hypebeast vibe, you know?
Okay, what do we got here? Balenciaga, okay.
You know what I mean?
Givenchy?
Yeah. You know, we don't play around, you know?
Givenchy, okay.
You know, Ace of Spade, you know what I mean?
Ace of Spade, okay.
You know, we have some DJ, so you know, we can vibe in
play
sometime,
music.
you know what I mean? Because, you know, we about it, you know what I mean?
About it.
You know, like you can see, best speaker in the town, you know, is Rocky 8, you know what I mean? Every producer uses, man. Check it out.
Hey,
you know
that's a vibe. Look at this here. And we have the Fortnite. We can play Fortnite while we're getting a haircut. Look at that. That's a vibe right there. Is that a vibe? That's a vibe. Let's see your cut so far. So Scrubs already got a cut and ooh.
It's blurry.
Let me see.
Treatment on right now.
Ooh, spicy.
You know what I'm saying? Check it out. We have 2 chairs right here, you know? Red one, white one is different.
So we got a red one and a black one.
Yeah, you know, just for you to option, you know what I mean? Anyway, oh, hey, yo, come here. We even have a fridge, bro? Where do you see, like, a private can have a fridge?
A fridge? No. Let's see what's in it.
It's something, you know,
you don't know.
Anyway,
Okay.
This is my baby right here, you know what I mean? You have support, you know? It's an art thing, right?
It's an art thing.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Some product, you know.
Look at.
Then we got.
Oh my gosh! Did you guys see all those shears? Guys, look at all those shears on the wall. I mean, I can't even tell. They all look pretty big, to be honest. They all look similar. How many pairs you got there? 14 pairs of shears. I'm not sure why my man needs all that. But you guys can see all the Hypebeast stuff. There's some elegance. There's some lay right. And we'll get to the haircut here in a second. But my man can cut.
Then we got all the tools here, okay, to make me look fresh.
Ooh, have you seen something like this, bro? Gee, what's it?
No.
Oh. It's $600 blow dryer, bro.
$600 blow dryer. Yeah, he ain't kidding, guys. And I actually just got a new Dyson. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys soon, so stay tuned for that. But this guy going to get the haircut thinks that this is a Supreme blow dryer. Obviously, guys, that's just a sticker on a Dyson, but my man hypes him up.
Jeez.
If I for haircut, you have to get, like, you know, you have to use the best stuff, you know what I mean? The best, you know what I mean?
He's not wrong. If you guys want to sell yourself as the best, you got to have the best tools. Your clients know it, and that's part of the experience. They definitely understand when you invest in yourself and the best tools, ideally, you give them a better haircut.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna get a haircut right now. Wait, before we get started, I want to show you my haircut from the worst review barber. You ready?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Bro, what is this, bro? What did he do to you, bro?
Bro, you destroyed me. I need you to fix me.
Man, you can't look like this.
No, that's a fade. That's a nice fade.
That ain't a fade.
That's a fake, bro.
Okay, listen.
It looked like torture, bro. It's not a haircut.
Here, let's do a quick before.
Hey, I can save it though. You do a nice little skin fade. I don't know what all this weight back here in the back is. Somebody didn't know what they were doing for sure. We might have to go check out that worst reviewed video as well, just to see what happened to him the first time.
You look like no.
Okay.
You see it good?
Yeah. Okay, we got that
Okay,
before.
so now we're gonna see an after. So
Perfect.
Let's get some montages in here.
All right.
Magic clips. It's alright, it's not a bad cut. Some black mask. They wildin' on this video. Hey, that's full service though. Sheesh. Let's see it.
Look at the fade on the kid.
Look at that fade. Skin fade.
The difference. Okay, guys, so I'm finally done. DOD cuts actually cleaned me up pretty nice because that last barber ruined my hair. And DOD cuts, guys. Make sure to check him out. Like, tell me, what do you guys think he did? What do you think, Scrubs up? For me, I say
5 stars.
I
No,
say 10 stars. Out of 5. So he
10.
really did double than what I thought. You saw full treatment, hot towel, black mask,
Hey.
eyebrows, fade.
Hey.
He did the trim. He did the style. He did everything. Look at this. Even order as food.
Hey.
Like, wait, Jit Palace.
And what?
Huh?
Fortnite?
Fortnite right there. We got music. We're just not playing music right now because we don't get copyright. We got lighting. We got sculptures. We got tools. We got chairs. We got... Okay, that is it, guys.
Alright guys, so that's the haircut. I'm going to be honest, not the best haircut I've ever seen. It was definitely worse when it started, but my man didn't have the best hair, definitely didn't have the best hairline. But DOD did pretty well with what he had to work with. I will say, I checked him out on Instagram. I do follow him. He does some very good work. Not the best model, so let's not hold that against him. My point of this video, guys, was to show you how much the experience can make your clients happy and hype them up. You could see my man was going crazy simply because of the experience. I don't know if he even looked at the haircut. So the haircut was decent, but you guys need to take away that the experience is almost more important than the haircut, and you can see it right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna keep doing these different reactions. Sometimes it'll be channels I want you to watch. Sometimes it'll just be videos I want to share with you guys. But I hope you guys like these videos. Leave me a comment down below if you have somebody you want me to react to. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I'll catch you guys next time.